ServiceNow Hardware Asset Management Online Training. Introduction to ServiceNow Hardware Asset Management, HAM. Introduction to ServiceNow Hardware Asset Management, HAM. ServiceNow Hardware Asset Management, HAM, is a robust module within the ServiceNow platform designed to help organizations efficiently manage their physical hardware assets throughout their life cycle. HAM encompasses the processes, policies, and tools needed to track, manage, and optimize hardware assets, ensuring they deliver maximum value while minimizing risks and costs. Key features of ServiceNow HAM: Asset Life Cycle Management, Procurement and Acquisition. Track and manage the acquisition of hardware assets, including purchase orders, contracts, and vendor management. Deployment. Oversee the deployment of assets to ensure they are correctly configured and assigned to the right users or locations. Maintenance and support. Schedule and track maintenance activities, including repairs, upgrades, and support services. Retirement and disposal. Manage the end-of-life process for assets, ensuring proper disposal and data sanitization. Asset tracking and inventory management. Centralized asset repository. Maintain a comprehensive and accurate inventory of all hardware assets, including desktops, laptops, servers, networking equipment, and more. Barcode and RFID integration. Use barcode scanners or RFID technology for real-time tracking and inventory management. Stockroom management. Manage stockrooms and track the movement of assets between locations. Asset financial management. Cost management. Track the cost of hardware assets, including purchase price, depreciation, and total cost of ownership, TCO. Budgeting and forecasting. Plan and manage budgets for hardware procurement and maintenance. Compliance and auditing. Ensure compliance with financial and regulatory requirements through detailed auditing and reporting capabilities. Contract and vendor management. Contract repository. Store and manage contracts with hardware vendors, including warranties, service level agreements, SLAs, and maintenance agreements. Vendor performance. Monitor and evaluate vendor performance to ensure they meet contractual obligations. Importance of effective hardware asset management. Effective hardware asset management, HAM, is crucial for organizations to optimize their IT resources, ensure compliance, and improve overall operational efficiency. Here are some key points highlighting its importance. 1. Cost savings. Optimized utilization. Proper HAM ensures that hardware resources are utilized efficiently, preventing over-provisioning and underutilization. Reduction in redundant purchases. By having an accurate inventory, organizations can avoid unnecessary purchases and reallocating underused assets. Maintenance cost management. Regular tracking and maintenance of hardware can reduce the risk of unexpected failures and associated repair costs. 2. Improved life cycle management. Asset tracking. Effective HAM allows for tracking assets throughout their life cycle from procurement to disposal, ensuring optimal use. Timely upgrades. Regular monitoring helps in identifying when hardware needs upgrading or replacement, preventing downtime and performance issues. 3. Regulatory compliance. Data security. ensuring that decommissioned hardware is properly wiped and disposed of prevents data breaches. Regulatory adherence, compliance with industry standards and regulations, like GDPR, HIPAA, is easier to manage with detailed asset records. 4. Enhanced productivity. Availability of resources, ensuring that necessary hardware is available and functioning correctly supports uninterrupted workflow and productivity. Minimize downtime. Proactive management reduces the likelihood of hardware failures, maintaining business continuity. 5. Strategic planning and decision-making. Informed decisions, accurate data on hardware assets supports strategic decision-making regarding IT investments and infrastructure planning. Budgeting, detailed asset information aids in better budgeting and financial planning for future hardware needs. 6. Risk management. Reduced risks, identifying and addressing potential risks, such as obsolete hardware, can prevent disruptions and maintain operational stability. Disaster recovery. Effective HAM ensures that critical hardware is accounted for in disaster recovery plans, facilitating quicker recovery in case of incidents. 7. Environmental responsibility. Eco-friendly disposal. Proper disposal methods for outdated hardware reduce environmental impact and support sustainability initiatives. Energy efficiency. Managing and replacing old, energy-inefficient hardware contributes to reduced energy consumption. Key features and benefits of ServiceNow HAM. ServiceNow Hardware Asset Management (HAM) is a comprehensive solution designed to streamline and optimize the management of hardware assets throughout their life cycle. Here are some key features and benefits of ServiceNow HAM. Key features: automated asset tracking and inventory management, provides real-time visibility into hardware assets, automates the tracking of asset locations, statuses, and ownership, integrates with discovery tools for automatic asset discovery. Life cycle management. Manages the complete life cycle of hardware assets from procurement to retirement. Supports asset requests, approvals, procurement, deployment, maintenance, and disposal processes. Asset reconciliation. Ensures data accuracy by reconciling discovered assets with authorized asset records. Identifies discrepancies and helps maintain an accurate inventory. Contract and vendor management. Tracks hardware-related contracts, warranties, and maintenance agreements. Manages vendor relationships and performance. Financial management. Tracks asset costs, depreciation, and total cost of ownership (TCO). Provides insights into asset value and financial impact. Compliance and audit readiness. Ensures compliance with internal policies and external regulations. Provides audit trails and reporting capabilities for compliance verification. Integration capabilities. Seamlessly integrates with other ServiceNow modules like IT Service Management, ITSM, Software Asset Management, SAM, and Configuration Management Database, CMDB. Supports integration with third-party tools and systems. Benefits: enhanced visibility and control. Provides a single source of truth for hardware assets, enabling better visibility and control. reduces the risk of asset loss and unauthorized usage. Operational efficiency automates and streamlines asset management processes, reducing manual efforts and errors. Improves operational efficiency and productivity. Cost savings optimizes asset utilization and reduces redundant purchases. Enhances financial management and helps in making informed budgeting decisions. Improved compliance and risk management. Ensures compliance with regulatory requirements and internal policies. Reduces risks associated with asset management, such as non-compliance and security breaches. Better decision-making. Provides real-time data and insights into asset performance and usage. Supports strategic decision-making with comprehensive reporting and analytics. Life cycle optimization extends the life of hardware assets through proactive maintenance and timely upgrades. Ensures efficient end-of-life management and disposal. Life cycle of hardware assets in ServiceNow. The life cycle of hardware assets in ServiceNow Hardware Asset Management (HAM) encompasses various stages from procurement to disposal. Each stage ensures proper tracking, management, and optimization of hardware assets. Here's an overview of the typical stages in the life cycle. 1. Planning and acquisition. Requirements gathering. Identify hardware needs based on current and future organizational requirements. Budgeting. Allocate budget for hardware procurement. Vendor selection. Select vendors based on cost, quality, and service. Procurement. Purchase hardware assets through purchase orders, POS. 2. Receiving and inventory. Receiving. Log received hardware into the system. Inventory management. Update inventory records to reflect the new hardware. Tagging. Assign unique identifiers, such as barcodes or RFID tags, to each hardware asset. 3. Deployment. Configuration. Set up and configure hardware according to user requirements. Assignment. Assign hardware to users or locations. Tracking. Track deployment details in the ServiceNow system. 4. Maintenance and support. Preventive maintenance. Schedule and perform regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance. Incident management. Handle hardware-related incidents and issues. Updates and upgrades. Apply necessary updates or upgrades to maintain hardware efficiency. 5. Monitoring and performance management. Usage monitoring. Monitor usage patterns and performance metrics. Optimization. Optimize hardware utilization based on performance data. Compliance. Ensure compliance with organizational policies and regulatory requirements. 6. Asset tracking and auditing. Physical audits. Conduct regular audits to verify the physical presence and condition of assets. Reconciliation. Reconcile physical audits with inventory records. Reporting. Generate reports for management review and compliance purposes. Implementation Guide for ServiceNow HAM. ServiceNow Hardware Asset Management HAM Implementation Guide. 1. Planning and preparation. Define objectives and scope. Identify the goals and scope of the HAM implementation. Determine which hardware assets need to be managed and the specific use cases. Stakeholder engagement. Involve key stakeholders from IT, finance, procurement, and other relevant departments. Assess current state. Review existing asset management processes, tools, and data. Identify gaps and areas for improvement. 2. Setting up ServiceNow instance. Instance provisioning. Ensure that you have a ServiceNow instance provisioned. If not, request a new instance from ServiceNow. Basic configuration. Set up the basic configuration of your ServiceNow instance, including user accounts, roles, and permissions. 3. HAM module configuration. Activate HAM plugin. Go to System Definition, Plugins and activate the Hardware Asset Management plugin. Configure data model. Define the data model for your hardware assets. This includes creating custom fields, tables, and relationships as needed. Import asset data. Import existing hardware asset data into ServiceNow. Use data import tools or scripts to migrate data from spreadsheets or other systems. 4. Defining asset lifecycle processes. Asset lifecycle stages. Define the stages of the asset lifecycle. Example: procurement, deployment, maintenance, disposal. Workflow automation. Create workflows for each stage of the asset lifecycle. Use ServiceNow's workflow engine to automate processes such as approvals, notifications, and task assignments. 5. Integrations. Integration with procurement systems. Integrate ServiceNow HAM with procurement systems to automate the creation of asset records upon purchase. Integration with inventory systems. Connect with inventory systems to ensure real-time tracking of hardware assets. Integration with ITSM. Integrate with ServiceNow IT Service Management, ITSM, for incident and change management related to hardware assets. Integrations with other ServiceNow modules. ServiceNow Hardware Asset Management, HAM, integrates seamlessly with several other ServiceNow modules to enhance its functionality and provide a comprehensive IT asset management solution. Here are some key integrations. 1. IT Service Management, ITSM. Incident Management. Automate the creation of incidents for hardware issues directly from the HAM module. Problem Management. Link hardware problems to related incidents and manage root cause analysis and resolution. Change Management. Manage changes to hardware assets, including approvals, scheduling, and tracking. 2. IT Operations Management, ITOM. Discovery. Automatically discover hardware assets in your network and populate the CMDB with up-to-date asset information. Event Management. Monitor hardware health and performance and generate alerts for any anomalies. 3. IT Asset Management, ITM. Software Asset Management. SAM manage both hardware and software assets in a unified manner, ensuring compliance and optimizing license usage. Contract Management. Track hardware contracts, warranties, and maintenance agreements alongside software contracts. 4. Configuration Management Database, CMDB. Configuration items. CIs maintain accurate and up-to-date records of all hardware assets as configuration items in the CMDB. Dependency Mapping. Visualize relationships between hardware assets and other CIs to understand the impact of changes and incidents. 5. Procurement. Purchase orders. Automate the creation of purchase orders for hardware assets, track deliveries, and update asset records upon receipt. Vendor management. Manage vendor relationships, track performance, and negotiate better terms for hardware procurement. 6. Financial management. Cost management. Track the total cost of ownership of hardware assets, including procurement, maintenance, and disposal costs. Budgeting and forecasting. Plan and forecast hardware asset expenditures and align them with organizational budgets. 7. Project portfolio management, PPM. Project tracking. Link hardware assets to IT projects, track asset usage, and ensure proper resource allocation. Portfolio management. Align hardware asset investments with business priorities and project goals. 8. Security operations. Vulnerability management. Identify and mitigate vulnerabilities in hardware assets by integrating with vulnerability scanners. Incident response. Automate response workflows for hardware-related security incidents. Best practices for hardware asset management. Effective hardware asset management, HAM, is essential for optimizing the life cycle of hardware assets, ensuring compliance, and reducing costs. Here are some best practices for HAM. 1. Comprehensive asset inventory. Automated discovery. Use automated discovery tools to maintain an up-to-date inventory of all hardware assets. Tagging and labeling. Ensure all hardware is tagged with unique identifiers for easy tracking. Centralized database. Maintain a centralized asset repository that is accessible to all relevant stakeholders. 2. Life cycle management. Procurement processes. Standardize procurement processes to ensure consistency and compliance with company policies. Life cycle tracking. Track assets from procurement to disposal, including deployment, maintenance, and retirement phases. Refresh cycles. Implement regular refresh cycles for hardware to avoid obsolescence and maintain performance. 3. Data accuracy and integrity. Regular audits. Conduct regular physical audits to verify the accuracy of asset records. Integration. Integrate HAM systems with other IT management systems to ensure data consistency. Update procedures. Establish procedures for updating asset records promptly when changes occur. 4. Security and compliance. Access control. Implement strict access control policies to protect sensitive asset information. Compliance tracking. Ensure compliance with relevant regulations and standards, example GDPR, ISO 27001. Data sanitization. Follow secure data sanitization practices for hardware disposal to prevent data breaches. 5. Cost management. Total cost of ownership. TCO. Monitor the total cost of ownership for each asset, including procurement, maintenance, and disposal costs. Budgeting and forecasting. Use historical data to forecast future hardware needs and budget accordingly. Vendor management. Establish strong relationships with vendors for better pricing, support, and service agreements. 6. Process automation. Workflow automation. Automate HAM processes such as procurement approvals, maintenance schedules, and disposal workflows. Self-service portals. Implement self-service portals for end users to request hardware, report issues, and track asset status. Notification systems set up automated notifications for maintenance, warranty expirations, and asset retirements. Cost optimization strategies with HAM. Cost optimization in hardware asset management, HAM, with ServiceNow involves several strategies to ensure efficient utilization and management of hardware assets, ultimately reducing costs and improving operational efficiency. Here are some key strategies. 1. Asset life cycle management. Procurement planning. Optimize procurement processes by purchasing hardware in bulk, negotiating better terms with vendors, and taking advantage of volume discounts. Standardization. Standardize hardware to simplify maintenance and support, reducing costs associated with managing diverse hardware types. Retirement and disposal. Plan for timely retirement and disposal of assets to avoid maintenance costs for obsolete equipment. 2. Inventory management. Accurate asset tracking. Maintain an up-to-date inventory of all hardware assets to avoid overpurchasing and ensure efficient utilization. Utilization monitoring. Regularly monitor asset usage to identify underutilized or idle hardware that can be repurposed or decommissioned. Just-in-time inventory. Implement just-in-time inventory practices to minimize excess stock and reduce storage costs. 3. Maintenance and support. Preventive maintenance. Schedule regular preventive maintenance to extend the life of hardware assets and prevent costly breakdowns. Warranty and support contracts. Leverage warranty and support contracts to reduce repair and replacement costs. 4. Cost allocation and chargeback. Cost allocation. Allocate hardware costs to the appropriate departments or projects to ensure accountability and encourage cost-saving behaviors. Chargeback mechanisms. Implement chargeback mechanisms to make departments aware of their hardware usage and associated costs. 5. Vendor management. Vendor negotiations. Negotiate with vendors for better pricing, service level agreements, SLAs, and support terms. Supplier diversification. Diversify suppliers to avoid dependence on a single vendor and to foster competitive pricing. 6. Asset optimization and redeployment. Asset reallocation. Reallocate underutilized assets to departments or projects that need them, reducing the need for new purchases. Virtualization and consolidation. Use virtualization technologies to consolidate workloads onto fewer physical devices, reducing hardware needs. Compliance and risk management in HAM. Compliance and risk management are critical components of effective hardware asset management, HAM, in ServiceNow. Ensuring that hardware assets comply with relevant regulations and managing the associated risks can prevent financial penalties, security breaches, and operational disruptions. Compliance in ServiceNow HAM. Regulatory compliance. GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, ensuring personal data stored on hardware assets is protected and managed according to GDPR requirements. HIPAA, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, managing assets in healthcare environments to ensure patient data privacy and security. SOX, Sarbanes-Oxley Act, ensuring accurate financial reporting and accountability for hardware assets that affect financial records. Policy enforcement. Corporate policies, adhering to internal IT and security policies regarding asset usage, data storage, and disposal. Industry standards, compliance with industry-specific standards, such as ISO IEC 27001 for information security management. Audit trails. Maintaining detailed records of asset life cycle events, including acquisition, deployment, maintenance, and disposal. Providing comprehensive audit trails for regulatory inspections and internal reviews. Risk management in ServiceNow HAM. Asset visibility. Ensuring complete and up-to-date visibility of all hardware assets across the organization. Identifying untracked or unauthorized devices that may pose security risks. Vulnerability management. Regularly assessing hardware assets for vulnerabilities and ensuring timely patching and updates. Integrating with vulnerability management tools to proactively identify and mitigate risks. End-of-life management. Managing hardware asset life cycles to address risks associated with outdated or unsupported devices. Planning for the replacement or upgrade of aging assets to maintain security and compliance. Advanced reporting and analytics in ServiceNow HAM. In ServiceNow Hardware Asset Management, HAM, advanced reporting and analytics capabilities can significantly enhance visibility and decision-making. Here are some aspects typically involved. Custom reports. ServiceNow HAM allows you to create custom reports tailored to specific business needs. You can generate reports on asset utilization, life cycle status, compliance, and more. Dashboards. Visual dashboards in ServiceNow HAM provide real-time insights into asset status, performance metrics, and compliance levels. Dashboards can be customized to display key performance indicators, KPIs, and trends. Analytics. Advanced analytics capabilities enable predictive insights and trend analysis. For example, predictive maintenance analytics can help in forecasting maintenance needs based on asset usage patterns. Integration. Integration with other ServiceNow modules or external systems allows comprehensive data aggregation. This integration supports holistic reporting and analytics across different operational areas. Compliance tracking. Reporting capabilities extend to compliance tracking and audit readiness. You can track regulatory compliance, license management, and adherence to organizational policies through detailed reports. Automation and alerts. Automated reporting and alert mechanisms ensure proactive management. Alerts can notify stakeholders about critical asset events or compliance issues, enabling timely actions. User access and permissions. Role-based access control ensures that users have appropriate access to reports and analytics based on their responsibilities and permissions. Inventory management with ServiceNow HAM. ServiceNow's Hardware Asset Management (HAM) module is designed to streamline and manage the life cycle of hardware assets within an organization. Here are some key aspects of inventory management using ServiceNow HAM. Asset discovery. ServiceNow HAM can automatically discover hardware assets across your network, including servers, laptops, desktops, and other devices. It helps in maintaining an accurate inventory by continuously updating the asset database. Asset tracking. It provides a centralized repository for all hardware assets, tracking details such as location, owner, status, warranty information, and configuration details. This helps in maintaining visibility and control over asset usage. Life cycle management. ServiceNow HAM supports the entire life cycle of hardware assets, from procurement to retirement. It includes functionalities for asset requisition, approval workflows, receiving assets, deployment, maintenance, and disposal. Integration capabilities. It integrates with other ServiceNow modules and third-party systems for seamless data flow. This integration enhances data accuracy and enables automated processes such as ticketing for asset issues or maintenance. Reporting and analytics. ServiceNow HAM provides reporting and analytics capabilities to monitor asset utilization, compliance with policies, and financial implications. Customizable dashboards help in gaining insights into asset performance and costs. Compliance and security. It helps in ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements and internal policies by tracking software licenses, ensuring asset security through access controls, and managing risks associated with hardware assets. Automation. ServiceNow HAM supports automation of routine tasks like asset provisioning, software installations, and updates. This reduces manual efforts and improves operational efficiency. Why choose ProExcellency for ServiceNow Hardware Asset Management Online Training? Choosing ProExcellency for ServiceNow Hardware Asset Management (HAM) online training can be advantageous for several reasons. Expertise and experience. ProExcellency specializes in ServiceNow training and consulting services, ensuring that their trainers have deep expertise and practical experience in ServiceNow HAM. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs typically cover all aspects of ServiceNow HAM, from basic concepts to advanced topics, ensuring a well-rounded learning experience. Customized learning paths. They often offer customized training paths based on your specific needs and prior knowledge, ensuring that you get the most relevant training for your role or organization. Hands-on training. ProExcellency emphasizes hands-on learning with practical examples and exercises, which is crucial for understanding and applying ServiceNow HAM concepts effectively. Flexible delivery. Being online, their training sessions are flexible and accessible from anywhere, allowing you to learn at your own pace and convenience. Certification preparation. They often include preparation for ServiceNow certification exams as part of their training, helping you validate your skills and knowledge in ServiceNow HAM. Support and community. ProExcellency may provide ongoing support post-training and access to a community of learners and experts, facilitating continuous learning and networking opportunities. Thank you.